As I mentioned in a previous post, I am ever the automotive optimist. And since I couldn't stand the current political discourse anymore, I decided to put some time in trying to bring back to life a 1965 forklift that is at my disposal if I can get it to run, and will help clear up some projects that really do need to be cleared up. So it's Sunday, it's cold as hell out, and I had a lovely lunch with my lovely wife, and she has to work into the evening, and I am going to try and make some sense of what's going on with this thing, and hopefully in a little while this will all be working again. I think it's a pretty decent possibility. It does take a certain amount of determination and optimism to tackle things that seem impossible, or at least highly unlikely. But the dividends, when things work out, can be pretty good. And in this case, I'll not only get access to the forklift, but I'll have some warehouse space to go along with it, which I really need. So I'm praying to the automotive deities to help get this thing back amongst the living. And I believe that's what's going to happen. Given a little more time and patience, I think we're well on our way. I do. And if not, it won't be for lack of trying. Happy Saturday, everybody. Whatever happens, God willing, we get to try again tomorrow. Right?